And good day, traders. This is Rick with your Futures Trading Coach Aftermarket Update for the live Trading Alert Call Room. Today is Thursday, October 8th, and I'm going to let you guys know what we did today. Today in the ES, we had one trade. I was not expecting it to do too much. However, I did say, it could be good for at least a point or two. We got a point. We got long at 34.75. On the 1051 candle right here. Again, it made a point. It made 5 ticks, so easily filled at a point. Told everybody don't expect too much more than that. Maybe 2, but you want to take the bulk of your contracts off because there was a target there. And sure enough, it made a point or a break even if somebody, put one contract and took profits and then had a second one and they went up to a break-even situation, then they wouldn't have made any money, or they could have made just something on that one contract. But, not a whole hell of a lot, basically a point. And again, it was no surprise. And then in the gold, we had a nice opportunity in gold, which was really nice. And that trade we got short. That was on the 1027 candle. Okay, we got short at 1089.9, 1089.9, and that trade made 25 ticks. That's about up to 20, went 27, but typical targets are 20, 25. So $250 per contract. Okay, because crude our gold is $10 a tick. Okay. Again, straight down, no heat, no problems. And then in the Nasdaq, we had a couple nice trades. One, we didn't make anything on, unless you had one contract, and the other two were pretty nice. The first one we got long on a ZL, and that was at 9:45 candle Eastern Standard Time at 11:536. The trade went up to 11:544. So it made up to 8 points, 30 ticks, 20, 30 ticks, depending on, where people took their targets. We always have a target there. And again, no follow through from there. And again, I told everybody when they took this trade, before they took the trade, that the market would have to get above, when we got long, they would have to get above 48 in order for it to go any further. And it didn't. It only went to 44. So, but there was room there to make 20 or 30 ticks. So we took the trade. Then when the market kept coming down, we got short. And that was on an understanding trade at 11.520. And again, that went straight down. Just the first initial push. We got 45 ticks. And then either somebody hit it again, or they left a little bit of room since we didn't get low enough on our target. They could have made on the second wave and gotten down, which was much further on the after the retracement there, or a new entry. That was a possibility as well, at the same price. And that one went down to 11.48, which was a nice move from 5.20. So over 100 ticks, and that was nice there. And then on this one, we got short at 350, and it bounced around there. It made 8 ticks. And then again, if somebody had one contract, they would have made 8 ticks. If they had more than one, they would have moved their stop down. And we talked about this trade specifically at this time. If you look at the ES, I told everybody here that they had finally broken the 25 level for the very first time on a close right here. And when we got into this trade here, I said it's imperative that the ES doesn't, get back up above the 25, which it did. So we weren't expecting a ton on that trade. We knew that this could happen, essentially. Said just give it a shot, get into a free trade, and either it'll be a break even or whatnot. So again, unless somebody had one contract and just scalped it for 8 ticks, but we try not to do that if you have more than one contract. So we're going to come back tomorrow and do it all over again. Check out our free trial, www.futurestradingcoach.com, and we'll see everybody back tomorrow. Bye, traders.